What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $95 in 3 minutes over and over again. If that sounds appealing to you, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV. My name is Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. All right, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop on my channel. And also give me a like, because it really helps out my channel and helps out this video to be seen on YouTube by more potential subscribers. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I'm talking about today. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into this right now. I don't want to waste you guys' time. I'm gonna go ahead and show you this process, because this method is gonna take some steps. It's gonna be some steps you have to take. So I want to go ahead and get right into it and show you what it's all about and show you how you can get this money. All right, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because I have a special bonus I want to tell you guys about. So without further ado, let me hop over to my computer and show you how you can make $95 in 3 minutes over and over again. So let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called listverse.com. And what this website does is pay individuals when they submit their articles. So if they accept an article from you, they will pay you for it from $95 to $100. But you cannot just submit any type of article. They're looking for interesting and unusual articles. Like this one right here, 8 problems math solved for us, no one asked for. So, you know, unusual stuff like that. Like this one, 10 incredibly creepy incidents that are totally real. So that's what type of articles they're looking for. So once you come to this website, what you're going to do is click at the top, and you're going to look where it says write and get paid. So right here, they kind of tell you how everything works and what you have to do to submit your article. And they tell you how much you get paid. And they have the rules here, which is you can't submit any copyright work. And pictures and videos, you know, they don't accept any pornography or anything like that. It has to be clean pictures and videos. So now you're probably wondering, you're probably saying to yourself, I'm not a good writer. I've never done anything like this before. Well, what I'm going to do in the next clip, I'm going to show you where you can get some articles. And these articles will be a list, because what they want you, they like to have a list of things, of unusual things. So you're going to go to this website I'm going to show you in the next clip that's going to help you with far as writing. One more thing about this site, you got to have PayPal. They're going to pay you through PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal account, it's easy to sign up with one. Just go to paypal.com. So, all right, let me go ahead and go to this next site that's going to help you start writing articles. Okay, I'm at the next website, and it's called Article City. So what you're going to do when you come here, going to go to click on the menu and select writing. And what they're going to do is give you some tips and tricks on how to write articles and also books and how to publish them. And also they'll give you some information on ghostwriting. Now what a ghostwriter is someone that's going to write for you. Since Listverse is looking for original content, original article, a list of original things to talk about or write about, this site right here will show you some ghostwriters that you can get to write that for you if you're not a good writer. If you're not really creative and coming up with things to write about, well, this website here is going to help you find a ghostwriter or help you be creative in far as writing. So don't look at this as like doing some homework or you're back in school. Look at this as you're being creative and you're going to be able to make some money being creative when you submit your list article to Listverse. So the other thing you can do, you can go on sites like Fiverr and pay $5 for a ghostwriter, or you can go on this other site called CEO Clerks and you can pay $3 to $5 to get a ghostwriter to write your articles. So that's it. These are the steps you need to take to make this $95. So if you're interested, if you're interested to find out how to write an article and everything you need to know about writing articles, go to articlecity.com. Okay, now you know the website that you can go to right now and start making $95 in 3 minutes over and over again. So go ahead and sign up with that website, follow those steps, submit that article, and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. As promised, let me tell you about the special offer. Now, I'm going to give away some free money. I do this every month. So for this month, hopefully I can get to 2,500 subscribers. When I get there, 2 people are going to win some free money. The way I'm going to pick the winners is you're going to have to follow these steps. So all I want you to do is, if you have an Instagram or Facebook account, follow me on Instagram and add me on Facebook and take a screenshot of this video, take a screenshot of my thumbnail for this video and share it in your stories on Instagram and Facebook. And once I get to 2,500 subscribers, I'm gonna go and check on my Instagram or Facebook, and if I see you sharing this thumbnail, because you guys are the only ones I'm telling this to, if I see the thumbnail of my video in a story that you guys posted, you might be the winner of the free money. It might be, like I said, I'm gonna pick 2 of them. So that's all you have to do. I'm gonna say it again. All you have to do is follow me on Instagram. All that information gonna be in the description below. Follow me on Facebook. Take a screenshot of my thumbnail for this video. Share it in your story on Instagram and on Facebook. And once I get to 2,500 subscribers, I'm gonna check and see if you guys have shared this video. And if I see it, if I see 2 people, you guys gonna be the winners. I'm gonna give y'all some free money once I get that 2,500 subscribers. All right, that's all I have for this video. Please, before you leave, hit that like button and help me get 100 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have anything, any questions you want to ask me about this video. And please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped, because I make videos like this almost every day. All right, I'm out of here. One more thing, please share this video because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online. All right, one more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. See you in the next video. Go check out some of my other videos right now. Peace.